This is one of the largest collections of pinball machines in America. Today, we're going to learn all about them. We're going to talk about some of the oldest pinball machines in the world. And some of these pinball machines can value as much as a car. And if you're thinking about getting one, I have some tips you should consider before purchasing one.
I am in downtown Tarpon Springs, the sponge capital of the world. What's really cool here is that they have a museum.
But it's not just any museum. It's all hands-on.
Pay one price and play everything you can play. Before the video games, before the home entertainment systems, this is where you went to have fun, to meet your friends and to hang out. I've been playing for 45 years. When I watch a young kid come in, that's all they know is tablet and computer games. They come in here and their jaw drops. And to me, I get a lot of joy out of watching a young kid who has never seen a pinball machine come in and see the physical aspects of banging a ball around with a flipper. You control your character on a video game, Donkey Kong, Pac-Man, all of that, but it doesn't give you that physical immersion that I think you get with a pinball machine.
Since you've been playing for so long, what sounds like really bring you back in here? What is it?
Bells and chimes. So I'm definitely showing my age, but something about pre-1970 Electromechanicals. My grandson's 10, and I have 20 machines at my house, and I love it when I wake up and I hear bells and chimes instead of Godzilla or Venom or King Kong. That's the nostalgia for me. And a lot of the arcade sounds, you know, Donkey Kong, you hear it, you know immediately what it is. Pac-Man, same thing. And for me now, Dr. Mario, since it sits behind my desk, it's burned into my brain. So,
do you have any of the first generation pinball machines here?
We have them back to 1968, yeah.
Any collection in here that's like really rare or something?
Yeah, and it's the ones you wouldn't expect, you know. I mean, we have an Addams Family. Shrek. People don't even know there was a Shrek pinball machine, and Creature from the Black Lagoon. You know, mostly the ones are going to be your classic late 80s, early 90s pinball. And then on the arcade side, it's Donkey Kong and Donkey Kong and Donkey Kong. And then, of course, all the Mortal Kombats. We have all of the fighting games also.
Kind of like a hands-on museum, if you will.
We are. It takes a lot to keep these machines up and running. Here's one now that's giving me problems, but I've got the parts ordered, and as soon as they come in, we swap them out and we get it back running again.
You have this open for us now. All these machines you said are original, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about what in the world is happening here.
A lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. Who knew all this was underneath?
Yeah, it's crazy. Usually, as confusing as it is, it's usually a broken wire that we're going to find out. Our games get a lot of play here, and typically your flippers will come apart, and a quick solder job will get it going again. Other parts that break are the linkage. You know, a lot of the moving parts will break. Again, in a home environment, you'd probably never have that problem, but we get 1,000 plays a month. And if you buy an older machine, you either do it because you have that passion or the hobby, or you know a friend that can help you out when it breaks.
Nice.
They will break. They always break.
Can I touch one of the balls?
Absolutely.
I've never done this before. These are heavy.
Yeah, that's why they break.
That's why they break. Yeah, exactly. All right, so one thing about playing in these pinball machines, you have to be precise, you have to use geometry, and what's the most valuable pinball machine in here, would you say, and how much would that round?
Somewhere $12,000 to $15,000, and it's not a new one, which is ironic. It is one of the older ones, yes. Addams Family, usually around $12,000. I think Tales of the Arabian Nights, $12,000. Willy Wonka, I believe, was $15,000 when it came out. But yeah, they're the price of some cars. We change them out quite often. So
Is there another warehouse?
there
full of
is
these?
another warehouse between the owner, myself, and our friends. I mean, we've got 125 machines here. We probably got at least that in reserve if we need something. So if they act up here too much, we move them out, and we either sell them or we fix them, and we bring in one that's working.
I see this one over here that looks like 8-ball Deluxe. How old is that machine?
I believe it was 1982. It's a rare bird. Now that machine, 8-ball Deluxe, everybody knows. 8-ball Deluxe limited edition, another rare one that you don't normally see.
You know what else is pretty cool in Tarpon Springs? It's also a pretty popular Greek culture here in Florida, and it's also the sponge capital of the world. Pretty cool stuff to check out here. And if you like that video, make sure you subscribe because I got a lot more coming. Check for new videos every week. Thanks for watching.